We've all witnessed this incredible leap in artificial intelligence over the past years. The day has come when there are so many AI tools that there is a clear need to sort and organize them. An AI tools directory is a platform that lists and provides information about various AI software, allowing users to explore and discover new tools and find the right ones for their projects. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to build your own directory of AI tools with the help of WordPress. We will use the Listing Hive directory theme on top of HivePress, a free and powerful directory plugin that will handle most of the website's features. So, let's roll up our sleeves and start. Let's kick off by installing the theme and plugin. Go to the Appearance, Themes, Add New Theme page, and find Listing Hive by typing its name into the search bar. Then, install and activate it. After this, you'll be suggested to install HivePress. Simply click on the provided link to do it. That's it. Now, let's extend the directory's functionality since HivePress offers only the core features out of the box. To add some additional features, we'll visit the HivePress Extensions page. There are more than 15 HivePress extensions that are fully compatible with each other and work perfectly with Listing Hive. For example, for an AI directory, you might want to install Reviews, which allows users to review and rate tools, Favorites, which enables users to keep a list of favorite tools, Tags, which adds tags to listings, or Social Login, which allows users to sign in via third-party platforms. Let's quickly install them. The next step is to add tool categories to simplify the navigation on your directory. Listing Hive comes without default categories, so you can create as many custom ones as you'd like in the Listings Categories section. First, name your category. Then, describe it if necessary and upload the category image. You can also create a hierarchy by setting a parent category, which can be helpful if you want to have subcategories. To finish, click Add Category. I'll add more behind the scenes. Once you're done with categories, you can create custom listing fields. They will help users obtain information about every tool. For instance, let's add a pricing model field. Go to the Listings, Attributes, Add New Page and write the field's name. In the editing section, you can allow users to fill in this field when adding new tools to your website. To do this, mark it as editable. Also, don't forget to choose the field type. In our case, it'll be Select. Additionally, you can make it required. Within the search section, you can turn your field into a search filter. Let's mark it as filterable and sortable to allow website visitors to filter and sort tools depending on their pricing model. Also, we'll use the Select field type again. In the last section, Display, you can set up how your custom field will appear on pages. Let's select Block, Primary, and Page, Primary, as our display areas. As for the display format, we'll use this one. When done, hit Publish. After this, the Edit Options button will appear. Follow it to add different options, like Free, Premium, Free Trial, and so on. Also, keep in mind that you can add as many custom fields as you need by following the described steps. Now, it's time to create an eye-catching homepage for your directory. Listing Hive is fully compatible with the WordPress native page builder, so we can use blocks to build pages. Let's go to Pages, Add New Page and name it Home. After this, you should write a header text. Finally, you can start adding different blocks to the page by clicking the plus icon and typing HivePress. For example, let's add a listing search form block and a listing categories block below. Additionally, you can customize blocks using the settings column on the right side. When you're finished, press the Publish button. After this, visit the Dashboard, Settings, Reading section and select this page from the drop-down list to make it a home page. Your blog page can also be assigned here. And that's how pages are created. Now, let's visit the home page and check how it looks. As you can see, its design is not finished, although all technical elements are here. To further customize the look and feel, click on the Customize button. There are different sections, so let's go through each of them. In the site identity, you can set the website logo, edit the site's title and tagline, copyright notice, and set the site's icon. Let's quickly upload the logo. Choose your file, optionally crop it, and upload. Looks great. Let's hit publish and proceed to the next section. In the colors section, you can adjust the primary and secondary colors to your liking. Now, let's set an appealing header image. To do this, click Header Image, Add New, and upload it. Looks even better. Click Publish. Let's move on. In the Menus section, you can customize menus for different areas of your website. For example, let's say we want to add the blog page to the header. Firstly, you need to have a blog page created and set up as a posts page, similar to what we did with the home page. On this page, click Create New Menu, name it, and assign it to Header. Then, click Add Items, Pages, and select your blog page. Now, your blog is easily accessible to users. Don't forget to click Publish. Let's move on. The Widgets section allows you to add custom widgets to different areas of your site. They're optional but may be useful if you need to display additional content. Next, the Homepage settings allows you to set up your homepage and posts page, but we've already taken care of that. The Fonts section allows you to select your preferred fonts from a wide range of options. Finally, there's the additional CSS section, where you can store custom code snippets to customize the style of your website further. As for the pre-made PHP and CSS snippets specifically for HivePress, you can find them in the description. Now, let's check the page once again. It's definitely looking better now compared to what we've seen before. We've reached our final destination. Technically, it's already possible to add the first tool to the directory. Note that there are two ways to do this, via the front end as a user and via the back end as an admin. If you want to be the only person who can add listings on your website, turn off the front-end listing submission option in the HivePress settings, Listings section. We'll proceed with adding a listing via the front end. To do this, you need to click on the Add Listing button, but note that any static text within Listing Hive can be changed, so you can make it, for example, List a Tool. The doc on how to do it is in the description. After pressing the button, you'll see a submission form, where you need to write the name of the tool, select a category, add images, and fill in custom fields you've created. Once you've entered all the details, simply click the Submit Listing button. If manual moderation is enabled, you can then review and approve the listing in the Dashboard, Listings section. Finally, the tool will be listed on your site. Let's have a look. Looks strange, isn't it? Well, the good news is that the listing page, as well as any other, can be easily customized using the HivePress Templates feature. To do it, go to Dashboard, HivePress Templates, click Add New, select the template, write its name, and click Publish. Now, you're able to customize the page using blocks. Since it'll take some time to get it done, I'll do it behind the scenes, while you can find the link to detailed instructions on how to use HivePress templates in the description. Now, let's visit the listing page again. It is obviously more refined now. And congrats, you've completed the final step of our tutorial, so by now, you should have a clear understanding of how to create an AI directory with WordPress. However, if you're looking to eventually turn it into a profitable business, we'll briefly explain what monetization models can be applied to your directory. Note that they require WooCommerce, the most popular e-commerce plugin, and some of the HivePress extensions. Let's start with the paid listings model, which will work if you're creating a multi-vendor directory. Using the HivePress paid listings extension, you can create several listing packages and sell them at different prices. This way, you'll be able to charge users for adding new tools to your directory. First of all, go to WooCommerce Products, Add New, and create a premium product, providing its future cost. Also, mark it as virtual, then press Publish. After this, go to Listings, Packages, and create free and premium packages. Let's start with the free one. You should write name and provide description to let users understand what they'll get in the package. Additionally, set up the required fields such as an expiration period. Hit Publish and create the premium one next. However, when creating a paid package, don't forget to select the WooCommerce product. Now, when users want to add a new tool to your directory, they will be given a package choice. It will look like this. If we select a premium package, we are redirected to the WooCommerce checkout. In addition, the paid listings extension allows you to mark certain listings as featured, meaning they will appear at the top of the search results. Thus, you can offer this service for an extra fee, too. To do this, create another WooCommerce product, which will be used to charge users for making their listings featured, indicating the price. Next, go to the WordPress Settings Listings section and select your newly created product in the corresponding field. After saving changes, you can check how it works. Go to your website and proceed to the user dashboard, then pick any listing and click on the star icon to make it featured. Again, you'll be redirected to the checkout page. Now, let's take a look at the second monetization model. Using the WordPress Claim Listings extension, you'll be able to charge AI tool owners for claiming their tool listings. After the successful claim, they'll get access to the listing management, so it's a win-win option. Firstly, go to WooCommerce Products and create a product, naming it Claim and entering the price for it. Then, navigate to WordPress Settings, Claims, where you need to select this WooCommerce product from the drop-down list. Don't forget to save the changes. After this, users will be able to claim tool listings. Let's visit our listing and see how it works. There is the Claim Listing button, which allows users to submit the claim. After the claim is submitted, the admin can see it in the dashboard. If the claim is approved, the user gets set as a listing vendor and receives access to edit it. Finally, you can turn your AI directory into a members-only platform by restricting access to categories, single listings, or even specific details. At the same time, users will have the option to purchase a membership plan that allows them to view more tools. This monetization model requires the WordPress Memberships extension. First, you need to create another WooCommerce product indicating the price for browsing your AI directory. Next, visit the Dashboard, Memberships, Plans section and create the free and premium membership plans. Here, write names and provide descriptions. Also, you can set an expiration period and select pages that are available for viewing. Then, be sure to link the WooCommerce product to the premium plan. When finished, press Publish. From now on, users will be given membership options when they try to view tool listings. It will look similar to this. And that's it. Feel free to use any of these monetization models. Overall, we hope this tutorial was useful and that the tips provided will help you launch your AI tools directory website. Keep in mind that you can create such a site hassle-free using WordPress, along with the Listing Hive theme and the WordPress plugin. Both are free, easy to use, and allow you to build directory websites quickly and efficiently.